think I owe you guys an explanation as to why there hasn't been a video in 2 weeks. So instead of just sitting here talking about it, I'm just gonna show you. So there hasn't been a video out in about 4 or 5 days now, and I'm gonna get to that in a little bit. As you can see, it's looking a little interesting outside. We're gonna talk about that in just a minute. But first of all, I wanna talk about the Mustang. So right now, the grill has been removed from the Mustang, and I was gonna try not to spoil this for you guys, but since there's been such a delay, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you. So I finally got the Halo fog lights, and I wanted to install them, and when I tried to install them, I found out that one of these little fog light connection cables that I need doesn't work. So since this cable doesn't work, I was unable to get the halos to light up correctly. But other than that, like, I tested the halo lights themselves. The lights work. It's literally just that cable that's not working. So I couldn't get those to work. And so then my next idea was that I was like, okay, well, since I have the grill out, I want to go ahead and paint it because it's about 15 years old and it's starting to fade a little bit. You know, the black is starting to look a little bit like dark gray. So my plan yesterday was to go ahead and paint the grill, and for anybody that lives in Oregon right now, you'll know that it's been quite smoky recently because of all the wildfires and everything. So I've kind of just reached this point where I'm like, I can't go outside to paint because I don't want to get ash on the grill itself. I don't want to paint inside the garage because it already smells like smoke in here as it is. Like, it is super, super smoky outside. So I'm kind of just at like a standstill. But Jason, he's in Salem right now, but he won a giveaway from an apartment building thing here in Corvallis. I don't really know. He asked me to go and pick up the thing that he won. I think he said it's like a portable speaker. So that's what I'm gonna go do. And it's like already hard to breathe inside the garage. So I'm definitely gonna wear a mask if I have to be outside for an extended amount of time. But we'll see how this goes. I've also been having a problem with the exhaust again recently. So about a month ago I made a video about when I cold started the Mustang, the exhaust would be kind of buzzing. It was because of a clamp, and I think that same clamp has loosened itself because when I start the Mustang right now, it's been doing that same exact thing. So I'll see if I can get it to do it. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's literally already ash on the windshield, and the car has been out of the garage for about 5 seconds. The camera doesn't really pick up the red tint at all, but if you look at my face right now, it's showing up pink, and that's not because I have like red tinted glass or anything. That's just because of all the ash in the air. That's crazy. So the camera probably won't pick this up, but this is absolutely insane. There's just so much ash in the air. Boys, this is absolutely insane. I know that I keep saying that because obviously this is something crazy. I should have put my glasses on too. Blowing ash into my eyes. But not only do I need to put this mask on because I'm gonna go into a building, but I honestly just feel like I need the mask because of how strong the ash is in the air. I just took a shower before I left, and I feel like I need another shower because as soon as you walk out in this, it just feels like you've been camping for 3 days straight. It's also kind of hard to get the camera to focus because there's just so much dust and stuff in the air. I mean, look how red I look right now. I don't know, dude. Like, I talked to him for a bit, and then she called her manager. And according to her manager, they don't have it yet because everything is like in storage, you know? And it's like backed up. And they said that they'll give you a call or they'll send you a text when it's ready. And when that happens, then you can tell them directly that I'm gonna come get it. And you'll have to say, Kaidan Odom will come and pick it up. Anyway, you're in the vlog. Do you wanna say what's up to the vlog? All right, go ahead.
Hi.
Do you wanna tell them? Yeah, today's a very weird day. This is a very weird video because I'm not actually doing any car stuff, but yeah, the things I do for you, bro. We
tried.
I don't have the grill on the Mustang. Not that it would matter because it has holes in it anyway, but the Mustang's getting all covered in ash.
Oh no.
Just so I could drive down here. Some grandma in a Tesla looking at me vlogging. Whatever, gotta get used to it. I don't know what you guys think, but for some reason, the like no grill look, even though the camera won't focus, the no grill look looks kind of good. I mean, obviously I need to have a grill, but maybe like a fog light delete in the future. I know I'm gonna be installing some fog lights soon, so it doesn't really matter. But at some point, you know, maybe I'll go for a different look and actually just delete the fog lights because I think that's kind of sick looking. I'm constantly thinking about new ideas, even during a state of an emergency. I should probably stop doing that before everybody within a mile thinks that the aliens are invading. Well, I came up to the top of the parking garage at OSU because I wanted to get some pictures of the Mustang, and part of me was like, I feel so stupid for not putting the grill back in because I can really just pop the tabs back in even if I don't have to hook up the headlights. But honestly, I kind of feel like the no grill look, even though in some of the pictures you can see the little tabs and stuff, it almost has like an apocalypse car type build. I'm going for like that B is for build inspiration, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But it definitely matched the setting here. The other reason why I wanted to come up high is because I wanted to see if I could somehow show you guys just how dense the ash and smoke is. So if you come over to the side over here and you look out across the valley, normally you'd be able to see for miles further, but you can barely see the trees over there. This is my university, by the way, guys. Go Beeps. I didn't think that 2020 could really get much worse. We stepped it up, at least in this state. So maybe it's not so bad in other places, but here, this definitely feels like an all-time low. So I hope that helped explain a little bit of what happened in the last 2 weeks. Basically, the wildfires have just kept the air quality super bad across the state, at least on the western side of the state, and I haven't really been able to do very much, so I do apologize about the lack of content. It's been sunny for a couple days now, so hopefully the smoke won't come back. I don't think it will because we have like winds blowing it the other direction, so I'll be able to work on the Mustang again finally. I have some plans for what I'm doing with the front end, and I have another mod that got here, and I can't even install that one yet because I have to finish the fog lights, so definitely have things to do. My fall term classes are starting, well, tomorrow for me, but it'll pretty much be the day that this comes out. It's my first day of fall term classes, so the uploads might go back to like once or twice a week rather than 3 or 4 videos a week. So sorry about that, but hear me out. I'm thinking, might do Vlogmas? I don't know, we'll see. I think that I'm finally getting to the point where I'm comfortable enough with the editing that I might be able to put out a vlog every single day. So once winter break comes around, I think I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas. For those of you that don't know what that is, it's basically where YouTubers upload like one video every day from December 1st up until Christmas, and maybe Christmas Day is like a special video or something. So I don't know, if you guys wanna see a little bit more about my regular life, because it wouldn't be 100% car stuff, definitely let me know. The videos will be a little bit shorter, but they would 100% be a video every single day. So if that's something you guys would be interested in, make sure you leave a comment down below. The last part of news that I have is that the channel has finally reached 500 subscribers. I posted on my Instagram earlier when I was at 498, and you guys definitely came in clutch. So if you're new, shout out to you. Thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. It's honestly crazy to think that just a few months ago I was only at about 200 subscribers. The channel has just been growing a lot quicker. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below. And while you're there, be sure to leave a like on this video. Browse to the channel if you're bored and you got nothing better to do. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out and dream big.